An urban skyline dotted with apartments and flats, each one harnessing the power of the sun. Imagine that. Solar panels, not just for sprawling fields or expansive rooftops, but for your very own flat. A reality that's closer than you think. Harnessing solar energy is no longer a far-off dream, but a tangible, accessible solution. Thanks to innovative design and technology, solar panels are now compact, efficient, and apartment-friendly. Imagine powering your home with clean, renewable energy, slashing your electricity bills, and contributing to a greener future. And the best part? These panels are a breeze to install and maintain. Whether you're in a high-rise in London or a quaint flat in the countryside, solar panels are a smart, sustainable choice. So why wait? Start your journey towards a brighter, greener future today. This is the power of solar brought to your apartment. Remember, the future is brighter when we go green, Ravolt, leading the charge towards a solar-powered world.